Hey everybody, here I am again, still out doing rustic roads. And as you can see by the sign behind me, this is Rustic Road number 85, okay? Again, this is another day where I'm hitting multiple rustic roads in one day, but I want to make sure I get all these filmed for you guys just to show you what you're missing. You got to come to Wisconsin and ride these roads. They are amazing and they're all over the state, okay? But this one little area where I'm at between East Troy, Bloomington, or yeah, is it Bloomington? I don't know. I can't remember now. And Delavan, or not Delavan, but Lake Geneva, Burlington. That was the name of it. I knew it started with a B. But there's so many in this one little spot. You can easily ride these in a day, acquire your 10 roads to get your patch. Okay, and let's see, do I have my patch on? Yeah, this patch here, that's what you can acquire just for riding 10 roads. You can easily do that within Walworth and Racine counties, easily, okay? But today we are doing number 85. As you can see, it says 2.5 miles, and it's basically a small loop. We'll go down this way and we'll just circle around over to a road over here where it ends. Okay, so this is going to be a very quick video, but let's see what this road has. Okay guys, number 85, let's do it. Right off the bat, I see a 35-mile-an-hour speed limit sign. Now this road here is actually called Kearney or Kearney, something like that. I don't know exactly. As you can see, there's a lot of houses around this little spot. I think as we get farther this way, it thins out on the houses. Up to 45 now. Let's drop the face shield. I'm getting a bit of wind. Ooh, a new constructed house up there. And like I said, this kind of just curves up and around up here. In fact, it looks like we're already starting to get into the bend in the road. As I said, you know, it's only like, what was it, 2.5 miles? It's not very long. Big size properties out here. Oh, there's, look at that old cabin shed there. That looked really neat. Kind of hard to see through those trees, but maybe if you were coming the other way, you'd get a better view of it. It's simply beautiful. Lots of big tall trees. Alright, curve's getting a little sharper here. Another good curve in the road. Oh, got a nice silo with a plain mural on it. That looks nice. It does. It really looks cool. Okay, this is a Potter Road. Got a big fenced-in garden over here. Keep out the deer and larger critters. You know, things like coons, squirrels, and stuff can still get in. You know, they'll easily climb that fence. You know, it says that the speed limit's 45, but really, I don't feel like doing 45. I'm doing like 40. Nice steep driveways going up the hill over there. You know, and then there's a drop down. I'm thinking I've seen a creek or something down through the brush here. Opened up quite a bit here. You can really see how big these properties are. Well, it looks like a horse farm over there. yeah, absolutely. Nice, nice, nice. All right, coming into 30 miles an hour. So this is going to tell me that we're getting back into that more residentially area, which means our ride is almost done. Just a few minutes of your time. Check out those cow statue things there, made from an old oil burner, you know, oil furnace tank. Yep, there's some water down there. Oh, look at that. Here's our end sign right there, right next to all these little lilies. Ain't that nice? Again, it's one of those roads that once you start doing it, next thing you know, you're getting into it and it's done. That's the problem with the short ones, you know. Well, this is Mark saying thank you again for watching, and always believe you can go out for your adventure, even if it's a quick little ride. Bye, guys. All right, now the next road I'm going to hit is literally less than, I think, 1.5 miles away. Let's go do that road.